somebody comes into your office, something happens, you have a stack sheet, write it down. That way, by the end of the day, you may have 10 different things on your stack sheet, but you never have to worry about forgetting about anything. And I know there's some people that they're working on something, and then what happens is something new comes up, and they stop working on that one thing to take on the other thing. And then something else comes in, and then they start working on this, and now they have 4 pieces of paper and 4 reports, and nothing's done. Does that make sense? So just getting in your head, you can't remember everything, you can't do it all. Write it down will make a huge difference. Here's the other part. Have you ever had any one of your teachers complain to you about anything in their life?
Yeah.
Got it. Is it usually when they've already punched in? Interesting. So this is what you do. You are there as a director, as a manager, to support them. They have to tell you their woes, and you can help them solve their problems and this and that. Absolutely. But the times you do that, you choose maybe 2 half-hour spots. Maybe like a 12:30, if you're a ratio obviously, but maybe like a 12:30 to 1, 2 15-minute blocks. Maybe like a 3:30 to 4, 2 15-minute blocks. You have 4 15-minute blocks to work with your staff, whatever concerns they have. And before they walk in for the meeting, what do? Clock out. How many less complaints or problems would you have from your staff if they weren't on the clock and they had to punch out to get coaching from you? You think it would be the same, or you think like half of them would just be able to figure it out?
Some of them would be able to figure it out.
Some. But do you ever have people that take up your time knowing they already have the answer and they just want to complain? Like my staff, when I used to have a staff and office manager, the rule is very simple. If you have a problem, you come up to me, and great. If you have a problem, you come up to me and you bring a solution. If you come up to me with a problem and there's no solution, leave, because now you're complaining. And then you're going to get from me, and this is something you may want to pass on. I'm going to say to you, great solution, let's do it. Great solution, let's tweak it. Great solution, we're going to do the exact opposite, because when I've tried that before, this hasn't worked, and if nothing else works, you know what, why not, we'll try it. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.